Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Michael. Today I'm going to be making these creamy Alfredo beans for you, and this recipe is absolutely delicious. This can be eaten as a side or as a main dish if you want to eat them that way. So it's got nice creamy Alfredo sauce and heavy cream, white beans in it, and can't forget the cheese, that Parmesan. I've got a little bowl here of some of them that I scooped out earlier, and I've got some of this Parmesan cheese. I'm just going to put some on the top of it because I love cheese, and even though it's got it in it, you can't have enough of it. So I'm going to give these a try and see what these taste like. These creamy Alfredo beans are absolutely delicious. I know you're going to love this recipe. Stick with me and I'm going to show you how to make it. First, I'm going to grab me a skillet. This is a 12-inch skillet here, and I'm going to go ahead and turn that heat on to medium. And I've got 4 tablespoons of an unsalted butter that I've just put in there. And I'm going to put in about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. And we're going to melt that down and combine that olive oil and that butter together. Once that butter has melted, I'm going to take 5 garlic cloves here that I have minced up. I'm going to put that into that butter olive oil mixture. We just want to kind of waken that garlic up a little bit, no longer than about a minute. Definitely want to keep the heat down on low on that. If you cook it too fast and a little bit longer than that, garlic has a tendency to want to try to burn. Now that we've got that garlic flavor infused in that butter and that olive oil, I'm going to take 1 cup or 240 milliliters of heavy cream, and we're going to add that to our mixture, and we want to heat that up till it comes to a simmer. Now that our heavy cream has come up to a light simmer, I'm going to add in 1 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese. This is going to make this nice and creamy. We're going to melt that down. You want to turn your heat down on low now. We don't want to cook that really fast. We want to have the opportunity for that cheese to melt into that cream. And I'm going to add in 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. And we're going to stir that around, and we're going to cook that on low between 5 to 7 minutes. You'll be able to tell when that gets cooked through as the sauce will thicken up, and you can cook that as long as you want to for your desired consistency. I've just added in a pinch of red chili pepper flakes. You can definitely do that. That's completely optional. If you want to put those in there, you don't have to. I absolutely love the little bit of heat that it gives to it. Now I'm going to add in 2 cups of cooked cannellini beans. You can use the canned beans and get 2 of the 15.5 ounce cans, or those are the 439 grams. With those, you want to make sure that you drain and rinse those before you put those into your mixture. Just give those a good stir around, and we want to cook those for about 5 to 7 minutes. As those continue to cook through there and you heat those beans up, you'll notice that your Alfredo sauce will thicken up. And you can tell by looking at it, you can cook it to the desired consistency that you like of your thickness of your Alfredo sauce. At this point, your beans are done, and you have some nice creamy Alfredo beans here. And I'm just going to take some chopped chives that I've got here and sprinkle that over the top just to give it a garnish. It adds such a nice flavor to that. You can also take some parsley and chop that up. That would be great as a topping on this also. I know you're going to love this recipe. Share it with your family and friends. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about these creamy Alfredo beans. If you like this content, maybe you might consider giving me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. And while you're at it, check out one of these other 2 videos over here on the side. You might find something else you like. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye now.